Tired of ants invading your space? We've all been there, finding a trail of tiny invaders marching through our kitchen. Today, we're going to tackle this common household issue, shedding light on ant infestations and how to deal with them. We'll be taking a close look at some natural do-it-yourself methods that can help you bid adieu to these pesky intruders. And the best part? You can do this without resorting to harsh chemicals. Stay tuned to learn how to reclaim your space, naturally and permanently. First things first, we need to understand our enemy. Ants, those tiny but mighty creatures, differ greatly in their species and nesting habits. Some prefer to reside in your cozy home, while others are outdoor enthusiasts. Identifying their type and understanding their lifestyle is crucial in our battle against them. Watch out for signs of an ant infestation such as visible ant trails, piles of sawdust, or even damaged food packaging. Now that we've identified the issue, let's move on to the solutions. Mother Nature has provided us with many tools to combat these tiny intruders. Let's delve into some of these natural ant deterrents. First up, we have vinegar. This common household item creates an environment that ants find extremely unappealing. Simply mix equal parts water and vinegar and spray it around the areas where you've noticed ants. Next, we have cinnamon. This sweet spice isn't so sweet to ants. Sprinkle it around your home, especially in areas where you've seen ants congregating, and watch as they steer clear. Lastly, we can't forget about peppermint oil. This aromatic oil is a potent ant deterrent. Dab a little on cotton balls and place them strategically around the house, especially near entry points. In using these substances, it's important to remember to reapply them regularly for maximum effectiveness. These natural deterrents will make your home a no-go zone for ants. Sometimes deterrence isn't enough. We need to take a more offensive approach. When ants have already found their way into your home, homemade ant traps can be a game changer. One of the most effective DIY ant traps involves borax and sugar. You see, ants are attracted to the sweetness of sugar, but the borax mixed in is lethal to them. Here's how to make it. Mix 1 part borax with 3 parts powdered sugar. Place this concoction in a small container or on a piece of cardboard and place it where you have seen ant activity. The ants will be drawn to the sugar and carry the borax mixture back to their colony, effectively poisoning it. However, please remember, while borax is a common household item, it can be harmful if ingested by children or pets. Always place these traps out of their reach. With these traps, you'll be able to deal a major blow to the ant colony. Our final step is to ensure these pesky invaders don't come back. The key is prevention, and it's easier than you might think. Start by sealing up any cracks or crevices around your home. Ants are tiny. They can sneak in through the smallest of spaces, so don't overlook anything. Next, cleanliness is crucial. Regularly clean up food crumbs and spills, because nothing invites ants to a party like a sugary snack left on the counter. Keep your kitchen and dining areas sparkling clean and take out the trash regularly. Finally, make it a routine to inspect your property. Look out for ant trails, check corners, cabinets, undersinks, and other hidden places. Early detection can save you from a full-blown infestation. Incorporate these preventive measures into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to having an ant-free home. Remember, a clean and well-maintained home is your best defense against ants. So, are you ready to wage war on those pesky ants? Remember, first identify, then deter, trap, and finally prevent. It's a 4-step dance to a natural ant-free home. With these tips, you'll be able to keep your home ant-free, naturally and permanently. Thanks for watching.